The automotive manufacturing industry is constantly evolving, driven by the pursuit of greater efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. To meet these demands, manufacturers have turned to advanced motors, variable frequency drives, and power supplies to increase production efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and maximize equipment longevity. This GalcoTV Tech Tip will give you some insights into the applications and benefits that VFDs bring when it comes to boosting efficiency. Think of a VFD serving the same purpose as an accelerator or brake pedal that gives you the precise acceleration or deceleration you need when operating certain automotive manufacturing applications. VFDs provide other benefits like allowing precise control of motor speed and power consumption. By adjusting the motor's speed to match the actual load requirements, VFDs reduce unnecessary energy consumption, leading to significant cost savings. VFDs provide a smooth and controlled start and stop for motors. This minimizes mechanical stress on equipment and reduces wear and tear, leading to longer equipment lifespan and lower maintenance costs. VFDs enable motors to operate at variable speeds, allowing for more efficient and flexible production processes. This flexibility is crucial for automotive manufacturing, where various tasks require different motor speeds. VFDs can be integrated into automation systems to optimize manufacturing processes. For example, they can adjust conveyor belt speeds based on production demand, reducing bottlenecks and enhancing efficiency. If you're looking to boost efficiency in your automotive manufacturing applications, Galco has a comprehensive in-stock selection of VFDs from brands like ABB, Control Techniques, Yaskawa, and many more, available for same-day worldwide shipping. You can learn more by visiting us at galco.com.